Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall VNC server on a Linux VPS easy tutorial step by step clearly. To uninstall the VNC server from your Linux VPS, first, log into your server using SSH. Open your terminal and input the login command, followed by your server's IP address. Once logged in, check which VNC server you have installed by running the command, VNC version. Take note of the VNC server version, as it may help identify any specific uninstallation steps. Next, stop the VNC server if it is currently running. You can halt the server using the command, vnserver kill a1. Replace 1 with the appropriate display number if your instance is using a different one. Now, you need to uninstall the VNC server package. For a system using apt, like Ubuntu, run sudo apt-get remove VNC package name. For systems using yum, like CentOS, use sudo yum remove VNC package name. Make sure to replace VNC package name with the actual name of the VNC server you are uninstalling. After executing the command, confirm the uninstallation when prompted. If needed, you can also remove any associated configuration files. To do this, check for configuration directories usually located in your home directory or in H. You can remove them by running rmrf/.vnc for user-specific files. For system-wide configurations, you might need to check /etc/systemd/system/. After cleaning up, it's good to verify that the VNC server has been completely removed. Run the vnserver version command again to ensure the system cannot find the server. Finally, you may want to update your package index by running sudo apt-get update or sudo yum update. Your VNC server should now be successfully uninstalled from your Linux VPS. You may want to restart your VPS to ensure all changes take effect. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.